Okay, 15 says simplify x to the third times x to the fourth. So we say this is multiply monomials together. And again, monomial is just the mathematical term for one term. So we multiply the coefficients, which is the number in front of the variables, and we add the exponents. So in this case, there is an imaginary 1 in front of all these x's. That would be our coefficient. So 1 times 1 times 1 is just 1. So we don't put anything there. But then I'm going to add the exponents. So there is an imaginary exponent of 1 here. So 3 plus 1 plus 4 is 8. So it would be x to the 8th. 16 is a monomial to a power. It's one term taken to a power on the outside. So we're going to work out the coefficient to the outside power, then multiply the exponents. So what I mean here is I'm taking 3 to the outside power. So 3 squared is 3 times 3, so that's 9. Then I multiply the exponents. So x 3 times 2 is 6. So the answer is just 9x to the 6th. 17 says simplify x to the fourth y to the third over x to the sixth y. The way I kind of like to think about this is I think, okay, I've got 4 x's on top and I've got 6 of them on the bottom. So I could cancel out all 4 of them on top, but that's going to leave me with 2 on the bottom. This is like having 3 y's on top and 1 on the bottom. So I can cancel out the 1 on the bottom, and that's going to leave me with 2 on top. So my answer is I've got y squared left on top and x squared left on bottom. '18 says simplify the square root of 36x to the 8th. So it's a square root of a monomial. We square root the coefficient, so that means the coefficient again is the number in front. So the square root of 36 is 6. And then we take this exponent and divide it by 2. So the exponent is 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4, so it would be x to the 4th. So the answer is 6x to the 4th. 19 says what is 14x to the 5th plus 18x to the 3rd plus 4x divided by 2x. So we're going to divide everything by 2x. Now in doing so, 14 divided by 2 is 7. Again, this is like having 1x on the bottom. So I could cancel out that 1x, and that's going to leave me with 4 on top, so x to the 4th, plus 18 divided by 2 is 9. Again, I could cancel out 1x, which in this case leaves me with 2, so x squared, plus 4 divided by 2 is 2. Now, there's 1x on top and 1x on top and 1x on bottom. So they completely cancel each other out, and we're just left with 7x to the 4th plus 9x squared plus 2. Now the last problem in this packet says Anna is 5 years more than Jack. The sum of their ages is 29. Write an equation to find Jack's age and then find Anna's age. So what I like to do is, okay, I've got Anna and I've got Jack, and it tells me Jack's age is X. So, okay, Jack is X. Anna is 5 years more than Jack, which means she's going to be 5 years more than, which means add. So Anna is X plus 5. The sum of their ages is 29. So it means I'm going to add them together. Well, X plus X is 2X. Then I have plus 5 equals 29. So that's my equation I'm going to use to figure out Jack's age. So if I work that out, 2x plus 5 equals 29. So I'm minus 5. 2x equals 24 divided by 2. X equals 12. So that means Jack is 12. And you could find Anna a couple different ways. Easiest way is probably to say, okay, 12 plus 5. So Anna would be 17. Now the question said find Anna's age. So then we would say, okay, Anna is 17.